In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 7pace Timetracker for Monday.com. We'll walk through the process of adding the 7pace Timetracker as an item view inside Monday.com so you can start tracking time directly on your tasks. Follow along on your own screen and pause the video anytime you need to. First, start by selecting a task on your Monday.com board. Open the board where you normally manage your work, then click on the specific item you want to track time for. This opens the item's detail view on the right side of your screen. It's important to open the actual item, not just look at it in the table, because we'll be adding the time tracking view inside this item panel. Once the item panel is open, look toward the top of that panel for a plus icon. This plus sign is used to add new views to the item. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the item panel or making your browser window a bit wider so all the options become visible. After clicking the plus icon, a small menu will appear with different view options. From here, you want to choose the option that says Explore More Views. This takes you beyond the default views and opens up the full set of available item views that you can connect to your task. When the Views menu opens, look for a button or link that says Go to Item Views Center. Click on that. This will take you into Monday.com's Item Views Marketplace, where you can search for and add integrations like 7pace Timetracker. Think of this as the App Store specifically for item-level views. Inside the Item Views Center, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search field and start typing 7pace Timetracker. Make sure you spell it correctly so the app appears in the results. As you type, Monday.com will filter the list and you should see 7pace Timetracker show up as one of the options. Once you see 7pace Timetracker in the search results, click on it to open its details. Here, you'll find a button labeled Get It Now. Click on Get It Now to add the 7pace Timetracker view to your Monday.com item. Depending on your setup and permissions, you may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Just follow the prompts on screen. After this, 7pace Timetracker will be available as a view on your item, and you'll be ready to start tracking time directly from Monday.com.